Today, Janet is going to the university. It's a long way from home, so she first gets into her sister's car.
I get into my sister's car.
As they drive, the man in the car, in front of them, drinks some coffee, and suddenly, throws the cup out of the window. Janet's sister gets frustrated and starts honking the horn at him. He doesn't care at all. After a while, Janet and her sister arrive near the train station. Janet gets out of her sister's car. And starts walking to the station. As she stands near the entrance, some joggers run past her. Suddenly, a bad smell comes from the street. There is a shabby-looking man sitting on the pavement. Janet walks away from the poor man. And goes through the station's front gate. She enters the train station. There are some stairs, so she walks up the stairs. And then walks down the stairs. She taps her ticket, and the gates open. Two teenagers jump over the ticket barrier because they don't have tickets. Janet hears a child crying. And sees a little girl running towards her father. It's cold, so Janet puts her scarf around her neck.
I put my scarf around my neck.
The train arrives. And she gets on the train. She sits in the window seat. The train starts moving. The train tracks run along the central avenue. Janet is looking out of the window. Suddenly, she sees a pedestrian walking across the street without looking left or right. And a car nearly hits him. She panics, but the train keeps moving, and she can't do anything to help him. The train goes through a tunnel. Finally, the train arrives at the last station. Janet steps onto the platform. And sees her friend waving at her. They walk under a bridge. And suddenly, Janet remembers she left her scarf on the train seat. They start running back to the train to find her scarf before the train leaves the platform.
Thanks for watching Enjoyable English Lab. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, like, share and subscribe.